Today I'm going to show you how to make a filet mignon inside of a Ninja crispy air fryer. Let's go ahead and get started with that. So right here I have my filet mignon, and what I'm going to do is I could go ahead and put it inside of the Ninja crispy air fryer, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in half because I don't want it like this. I want it to be half of this right here. So I'm going to cut it in half and then I'm going to put it in there. I'm also going to season it. I had some seasoning that I put on it already. You can see the pepper flakes on top. Look at that. Pepper flakes I have on there. I have some garlic. But I'm going to cut it and then I'm going to add some more seasoning on it. And then I'm going to show you how to cook it in the Ninja air fryer. Let's get started. All right. So in the Ninja air fryer, I'm going to put this filet mignon right here. So what I'm going to do is I am going to cut it in half like I said I was going to do it. Some people like to keep the thing whole, but not I. All right, so I'm going to cut it in half right here. Make it a little thinner. This will actually help with the way I like it cooked. Medium well. Some people like it rare. I don't. All right, so I'm cut it in half right there. Boom. Filet mignon. So once you've cut it in half, you go ahead and take this. And then what I'll do is I'm going to put some meat tenderizer on it. Putting meat tenderizer on a filet mignon sounds like overkill, but I happen to like it. I have some crushed brown or black peppercorns. This is 365. Go ahead and put some black peppercorns on it. Then I'm going to have some 365 garlic powder. I'm going to put some of that on it. Have some onion, 365 onion powder. Put some of that on it. Now all of the ingredients that I'm putting on it right now, I put on last night and allowed it to marinate. The seasonation to absorb inside of the filet mignon. Also going to add Himalayan pink salt on it right here. So have some salt. And I'm going to flip it over to the other side to do the exact same thing. One more again. Go ahead and start with pink Himalayan sea salt or pink Himalayan salt. Then I'm going to put garlic powder. And 365 black peppercorn. There's already some on here that I had sitting overnight. Just adding some more. And some tenderizer. This is Adolph's tenderizer. And then some organic onion powder. All right, so I have the seasonation on it. If you want to, you can let this sit in the refrigerator for a couple hours and it'll allow the permeation of the seasonation inside of meat. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this in the air fryer. So what I'm gonna do with the Ninja air fryer, so I have the Ninja air fryer right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see I have the tray. I have a larger pan for the air fryer. And I'm going to go ahead and place this in here. Place one of the steaks right there. Place the other steak right there. I'm going to go ahead and place the top of the air fryer on top. Now, it has several different settings on here. You have the keep warm, which is 175 degrees. You have the recrisp, which is 380 to 400 degrees, wheezy. And then you have the bake, which is 375 to 400 degrees, wheezy. Air fry, which is 400 to 425. Give your food crispiness, crunch. And then you have the Max Crisp breast for frozen favorites. This isn't frozen favorites. This is filet mignon. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose which one of these. So you do it by selecting a little bit of onion powder on me, the mode you want. They have re-crisp, which is that for leftovers, and then you have the bake for the gentle heat, and then you have the air fry to give your food crispiness and crunch. I'm going to do that. Now you can choose between bake and air fryer and max crisp. I happen to use, because I slice it in half, I'm going to use the air fry. If I would have kept it full, I probably would have used the bake mode, but I'm going to use the air fry. So I'm going to select air fry, and I'm going to put it in for anywhere from 8 to 12 minutes. I'm going to put it somewhere in the middle, 10, and then I'm going to press start, and we'll see what happens. All right, it's almost done right here. Let's take a look at it. Just ended. It shows that it ended on top of the screen right here. And to pull this off, and look at that. Look at that. Perfectly done filet mignon in a Ninja air fryer. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.